curious why our cows always have such big grins on their faces? Let me tell you the secret. Thanks to the magical VR glasses, our cows have been traveling to a vast, lush green pasture. They spend all day happily grazing on the grass. It's such a joy to watch. After cleaning, specialized tools are used to fully automate the milking process. The pipes transport the fresh milk into the containers without any external contact, and the device is automatically removed once the process is complete. French butter, famous for its rich flavor and creamy texture, is typically made using traditional methods to emphasize quality and taste. Initially, the process of making French butter includes all the steps of regular butter making before reaching its secret technique. Do you recognize that shiny packaging? It's absolutely delicious. I mean, at least you can imagine how good it's going to taste. When the regular butter reaches the mixer, or what you can call the kneading unit, they make sure it has already gone through fermentation. This is one of the secret steps to create smooth and textured French butter. This wooden kneading station is chosen because it is a traditional technique in the French butter making process. The butter is manually kneaded with wooden tools, dins, which helps improve the texture, making it softer and more consistent. This step also allows any remaining buttermilk to be worked out, ensuring a pure and refined product. The French butter making process is a testament to the country's culinary heritage. French butter typically has a high fat content, around 82%, which gives it that rich, creamy goodness that makes your taste buds dance and reminds you of the pure traditional flavor. At this stage, salt may be added to enhance flavor and act as a preservative, but French butter often uses very little salt to allow the natural flavor of the butter to shine through. I don't know if that thumb gesture is something personal, but it's a style. Now it's time for shaping. First, they cut the French butter into smaller chunks. Did you notice the old man testing the equipment in a rather quirky manner? After that, the butter is shaped into distinctive forms like round or rectangular blocks. This is usually done with handheld tools, which enhances the artisanal quality of French butter. The shaping process is not just for aesthetics. It also helps firm up the butter's final texture. Now comes the craftsmanship. The techniques for making French butter have been passed down through generations, contributing to its cultural heritage value. Many artisanal butter producers take pride in preserving these traditional methods, ensuring that the art of French butter making continues to thrive in the modern world. Plus, it's super fun. All those butter balls are packed in plastic containers to preserve them for as long as possible, so you can enjoy the pure, amazing goodness of French butter. French butter is highly regarded by chefs for its versatility in cooking. Its high fat content makes it ideal for creating flaky pastries, creamy sauces, and delicious desserts. Traditional French butter, also known as beurre, is renowned for its high quality and rich flavor thanks to its meticulous production process. Made from cream, French butter contains a high fat content, particularly saturated fat, around 80%. In addition, butter also provides nutrients such as Vitamin A helps enhance eye health and the immune system. Vitamins D, E, K, these fat-soluble vitamins help the body absorb calcium and maintain bone health. Omega-3 fatty acids help improve brain and cardiovascular function. Minerals such as calcium and phosphorus support the development of strong bones. Although butter is high in calories, around 717 kilocalories per 100 grams, it provides energy and essential nutrients when consumed in moderation. Number 1. Health benefits of traditional French butter. Traditional French butter is not only a nutritious ingredient, but also offers several health benefits. Good for digestion. The short-chain fatty acids in butter help support digestion and reduce intestinal inflammation. Boosts the immune system. Due to its high content of vitamins A and D, butter helps the body fight infections and protect cellular health. Improves skin health. Vitamin E in butter is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals and enhances skin elasticity. Beneficial for heart health when consumed in moderation. Butter contains omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular function. 2. Culinary applications of traditional French butter. French butter is famous for its delicate flavor and creamy texture, widely used in cooking. Butter is used in cooking, sautéing, and adding rich flavor to dishes like fish, vegetables, or sauces. Baking. Butter is a key ingredient in many French pastries like croissants, brioche, tarts, and cookies. Its creamy texture helps baked goods rise evenly, yielding soft and flavorful results. Spreading on bread. One of the simplest uses is spreading butter on bread, creating a nutritious and delicious snack. Making sauces. Butter is used in rich sauces such as hollandaise or béarnaise. Precautions when using traditional French butter. While French butter offers numerous health benefits, some precautions should be taken. Control portion size. Due to its high saturated fat content, consuming too much butter can increase cholesterol levels, particularly for those at risk of heart disease. It is advisable to limit butter intake to moderate portions in daily meals. For people with dairy allergies, since butter is made from milk, it is unsuitable for those who are allergic to or intolerant of lactose. If symptoms like rashes or difficulty breathing occur, stop using butter and consult a doctor. Choose organic butter. To ensure the highest quality and nutritional value, opt for organic butter or butter from grass-fed cows. Proper storage. Butter should be stored in a cool place and kept away from direct sunlight to prevent spoilage. Once opened, it should be consumed within a short period to maintain its flavor. Traditional French butter is not only a versatile culinary ingredient, but also provides many health benefits due to its essential nutrients like vitamins A, D, and omega-3 fatty acids. However, using it in moderation and storing it properly are key to maximizing its benefits without negatively impacting health.